Hello sweet friends, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I am sharing with you a project that I created from the release of September 1st, 2024, Scrapdiva Design dies. I will have links in the description box below to the dies that I used in this project to make it easy for you to shop should you care to purchase something that you see. They are affiliate links. When you use them, they don't cost you anything extra, but they help me and my channel. And I just want to say I appreciate it so very much. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So let's go ahead and look at the dies that we used. And the first one is called the Spider Mini Album. And this comes with 3 layers. You get a background, a stitched, and then the web, and then you get a spider with a layering spider. So there's 4 dies in this set. And this die measures, the biggest die measures 6 1/8, and it's about 5 1/2, 5 5/8 inches wide on that. So it makes a good size mini album. And then I used, again, the Halloween words. I used a couple out of there. So they're called Halloween words number 4. So before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And to all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So here is this really super cute mini album. And I just used the piece from the sunflower die. I think that was last year's, one of last fall's die set that we had, and in it had this piece right here with the 3 punched holes, and I used that to assemble my mini album together. But quite frankly, if you don't have that die and you just want to cut, let's see, this piece right here is about 2 1/4 inches wide, and I could tell you it was about 1 1/2 inches going this way, 1 1/2 by 2 1/4, and then just punch 3 holes in it. You could do that, and it was sandwiched in between the layers, and I tied some ribbon on there to make it nice and poofy. Now these are not my flowers. These come from Hobby Lobby. I had a question about that the other day on what dye that was, and it's not a dye. It's flowers from Hobby Lobby. And also, I did not show you this, but I did use this die right here, which is the Spider Bow number 2. I wanted to put a little bow. This right here is a die cut from Cottage Cuts that I used to decorate the top of my mini album. You do get this spider in the set, and as you can see here, I have the web, the background, and then the backing die. So I did put some little diamond dots on there, hung my little spider, and I made this pretty simple so that there would be room to put pictures in here. So I just have some paper cut aparts right here, and I used the word spooktacular to be the band that holds these little tags in place. And then I just simply made these little open booklets here, and I used a spider just to decorate it. So really simple. This is a lot simpler than the Halloween mini album I did. And then I used stickers. The rest of the things, these are not die cuts. These are stickers that I've had in my stash forever that I need to use up. And so I made this little opening. You could either journal on that or put little pictures in there. And then I left this plain so that you could put a big picture on here, and I just decorated it with some diamond dots. And I put a little spider here. Since this is a spider web, I put a lot of spiders in different places. So here again is another place for a big picture. This is another little booklet I made for journaling or pictures. And of course I have to have a spider for the spider web. And then we get to this page right here. And this one opens up, another place for journaling, a little spider. This is another sticker for my collection. And then another big place to put a picture. You really don't need anything else in this mini album. I think that having the pictures on these plain pages would look amazing. And then of course the back, which I made to match the front. So I hope you enjoyed this project share. I think this is a super cute mini album and I recommend it for your collection. It makes up really fast, so it's a nice gift for swaps and Happy Mail. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description box below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.